Hello everyone. Reducing lead time in manufacturing and delivery. Today, actually, I am going to discuss with you regarding this topic. Lead time reduction is very important because each and every manufacturing organizations expecting to smooth the cash flow. If they want to smooth the cash flow, that means if they want to reduce the time between cash out and cash in, definitely they have to reduce the lead time. So reducing lead time in manufacturing and delivery, this is today business case we are going to discuss. The scenario is actually I consider this is ABC company. This is as example. ABC company is receiving bulk orders from global client. But long manufacturing lead times and logistic delays are affecting delivery schedules. Customers expect faster turnaround times, and competitors are offering quicker delivery. How can ABC optimize operations to reduce lead time? So now ABC company facing huge issue because they are currently taking long manufacturing lead time. That is very big issue because customers expecting faster turnaround, and also there are some other uh, what is called that competitors also willing to give the quick deliveries. So how ABC company reduce their lead time and meet the customer requirement by optimizing operations? So that is the case which we have to address. ABC company should focus, according to my suggestion, ABC company should focus on lean manufacturing, supply chain optimization, and digital transformation. So these three things definitely they want to address. If they execute, if they implement these three concepts in their plan, definitely they can reduce their operation time and the lead time. So implementation of lean manufacturing practices. Lean manufacturing is like a very vast subject. It is like a philosophy. So all the lean manufacturing tools and concept implementing within the short period, that is not possible. So anyway, ABC company at least they want to address under the lean manufacturing the slides shown three concept as soon as possible. The first one introduce just-in-time production system to reduce excess inventory. So based on that, organization want to standardize each and every place what are the standard WIP levels. Based on the customer demand only, it may be external customer, it may be internal customer. So based on the customer demand only, they have to produce. That means they achieving only the customer demand. Then what happened? During the just-in-time case, there are no so many WIPs in different area. So because of that, if there is a quality issue happen, okay, that they have to focus only the one or two product only. If they have huge WIP, sometimes that quality issue can contain in each and every part. Then it will take huge time to resolve the problem also. So other thing is when the WIP going to reduce, then what happened? Uh, Problems coming to the surface. So because of that, each and every responsible parties they want to give the quick solution for the problem. So because of that, problem solve within the very short time period, then it will support also to reduce the operation lead time. So one thing ABC company want to implement just-in-time production system. Then planning. they want to optimize. So optimize production planning using real-time tracking software. Each and every time ABC company want to deal with the real-time data. So based on the real data, they have to take the quick decisions for the problem solving, for the further improvements or anything. So it is required to mm, required to create some software to track the real-time data. If not, what happened? Sometime when they realize there is a problem, it will take 2-3 hours. During the 2-3 hours, the issue can be turned into the burning issue also, and also taking the solutions after 2-3 hours sometime maybe meaningless. So because of that, if they want to run their operation in a very aligned, quick manner, they want to take the decision then and there. If they want to take the decision then and there, definitely they want some real-time data tracking system. The last one under the lean manufacturing practices, use modular product design to standardize component for quick assembly. So that means when consider the all operation activities in the product, it no need to do in the same production line. So we have to create some modulars. So the component part want to prepare, want to make at that modular layouts. Then only the final assembly they want to do in a, what is called that final assemble line. Then it will support them to reduce their operational lead time because component ready in the different places. We can manage some standard WIP levels also. So main production lines, they are doing only the assemble part. So it will support to reduce the long lead times also. So under lean manufacturing practices, they want to address these three at least, then it will support them to reduce their operational lead time. Then second concept we discussed, supply chain optimization. So what they have to do under the supply chain optimization? The first one is strengthen supplier relationship through long-term contract and strategic partnership. So because of that, supplier maybe supply whatever the materials ABC company want with the realistic time frame. Because of that long-term contract and the strategic partnership, sometimes suppliers may prioritize ABC requirement. So because of that, ABC company no need to wait till the material receiving for start their production activities. So that is also very much important. Waiting is killer and also waiting enhance the operational lead time. Implement dual sourcing strategy for critical component to prevent bottlenecks. Sometimes some components, some materials, it will take some lead time to create at the supply end. So if there are huge bottleneck, if we are if ABC company depend on only the one supplier, they have to uh, they have to wait so many time period to complete the material required for the product making activity. So what they have to do, they have to go for dual sourcing strategies. They have to identify at least, it is mentioned in here dual, but at least 2-3 suppliers for the same component. Then without bottleneck, they can take whatever the required quantity of component to make their final product. So that is also very important under the supply chain optimization. Third one, use predictive analytics for forecast demand and adjust procurement scheduling. So if they can do some predictive analytics research, they know what are the material requirement for next 2-3 months. Then based on that, they can schedule their procurement schedule. So no need to wait till the last moment for the ordering activity. So that is also very much important thing under the supply chain optimization. So at least ABC company can address these 3 points under the supply chain optimization. Then it will also support them to reduce their operational lead time. So what is the third one? Automation and digital transformation. The first one, integrate uh, IoT and AI-based predictive maintenance to reduce machine downtime. So machine downtime also a very huge issue for the organization which produce the product by using some machineries. So they want to reduce the machine breakdown. So that means they have to adapt with the predictive maintenance, preventive maintenance activity. But currently technology is very much fast and enhanced. So because of that, ABC company can integrate with IoT and AI based predictive maintenance activity. So it will support them to do the predictive maintenance, preventive maintenance activities, and hence it will support them to reduce the machine breakdown. Automate warehouse and logistic tracking to improve efficiency. So they can implement so many material requesting plan, material requesting system, material handling system, then logistic tracking. Okay, that kind of automated system, then it will improve the efficiency because they can track what is the stage now, where are the materials now. So based on that, they can act on that. So it will support them to reduce their lead time also. Use cloud-based ERP systems for real-time production monitoring. So if they go for the enterprise resource planning systems, if it is in a cloud base, then the real time what is happen on the production floor, the data update into the ERP system, and the whoever the required people can access into the data on real time, as well as no repetitive data entering points also when we go for the ERP system. And whoever the people access into the ERP, they can take the same data without any deviation. So automation and digital transformation also will support them to reduce their lead time. The finally, improving logistic and distribution efficiency. So partner with global logistic providers, okay, for optimized shipping routes, because if they are waiting, if they are dealing with only the what is called shipping lines, one shipping lines, it may be problem. But if they can go for the global logistic providers, they have some what is called that 2 3 alternative shipping routes also. So ABC company go for the optimized shipping routes, stabilize regional assembly points plants to reduce the transit time. So if they can go for the regional assembly plants. Then they no need to wait the material, whatever the components coming from the original place, because regional assembly plant, it is very near place to the ABC company. So they can bring the material and component very fastly when compared with the original place. Implement blockchain-based tracking system for the shipment transparency. Then they know, okay, all the details, the places and everything when they tracking the things through the blockchain-based tracking system. Right. If ABC company can adapt with these 4 concepts, okay, they can address this issue. How they address, they can reduce the long lead time. Okay, then they can give the product to their buyer with the quick time period. Then customer also will be very delighted. So it will support them to enhance their profit through the modus. So scenario, again, I'm a little bit go through the scenario. Scenario is ABC receiving bulk orders from global client, but the issue is they are taking long manufacturing lead times and logistic delays. So because of that, their manufacturing schedule going to be affecting. So Another customers are willing to give the another suppliers are willing to give the quick orders, okay, as well as the customer also expecting the fast turnaround. So if they want to survive in this kind of competitive environment, definitely they want to reduce the lead time. How they can reduce the lead time? They can go for the lean manufacturing concept, supply chain optimization, and digital transformation. So under the lean manufacturing, they can implement just-in-time concept, real-time data tracking software systems, then modular product design. So under the supply chain optimization, they can go for the long-term contract and strategic partnership with the suppliers. Then they can implement dual sourcing strategy. Then they can do the predictive analytics, and based on that forecast, they can start the procurement schedule. Then automation and digital transformation, definitely ABC company want to go for the IoT and AI-based predictive maintenance activities. Then warehouse and logistic tracking systems. Then they can implement cloud-based ERP systems also. So when improving logistic and distribution efficiency, they can go for the global logistic provider because they will give the what is called that several shipping routes. So based on that, ABC company can optimize the shipping routes. Then stabilize regional assembly plants. It will reduce the transit time period. And also, if they want to take the component from original places, it will take huge time. But when they go for the regional assembly point, they can bring the material and component in a short time period when compared with the original place. Implement blockchain based tracking system, and uh, m- it will support them to transparent to take the transparent shipment related data. So when ABC company can go for these kind of concepts, it will support them to reduce their operational lead time. So when the operational lead time reduce, definitely they can deliver the bulk order they have received on time to the customers, and customers also will delighted, and it will support them to enhance their business. So today, the business case we discuss about lead time reduction. Okay, that scenario related to the lead time reduction. So I'm expecting to meet you with another business case. So till that, thank you very much. We'll meet on next video. Thank you.